Hello there and welcome into our short video here in Lesson 10 about how to post your brochure template or presentation template. I'm doing this video because the procedure is slightly different. When you made your About Me video, I emailed you the template with your individual name on it for your slideshow. This is a little bit different because now we have the template embedded here inside the course and you're going to make a copy of it. So I'm going to go through here very briefly how to handle the Google Docs brochure template and how to handle the Google Slide presentation template. So I'm here. There's a couple of examples of finished products that folks have done in our last few cohorts. So it's worth taking a look at to get some ideas. To keep in mind, the brochure is more than just information. It should also look good and be attractive to the user, and you've got some good examples of that in the example right above option 1 and option 2. So let's say I was going to do the brochure template under option 1. So I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to click where it says click here. That's going to open my Google Docs, and now what I'm going to do is follow the directions that are listed here in red at the top of the doc. It says copy this to your Drive file, make a copy, and add your name to the document. So right under the name, WIOA Brochure, I'm going to click on File, brings down the menu. I'm going to do make a copy, click on that, and what's going to happen is this dialog box is going to come up, and I'm just going to hit the backspace key to get rid of all that blueprint. Boom, it's gone, and I'm going to call it something. Make sure put your name in there. So I'm going to put my last name and maybe my initials there, and I'm going to put in WIOA there so we know what's going on with that one. It'll automatically save it in a folder with the right sharing settings, so we don't have to worry about that. So I'm going to click on OK, and it's going to open in a new tab, and now I'm ready. I can go through and create my brochure, and everything's golden. So now what I want to do is put my finished completed brochure in the discussion forum so everyone can see it. So I'm going to go up to my address bar, very top of the page right under these tabs. I'm going to do a left click here, turns everything blue inside the address bar. I'm going to now do a right click and copy, and so I've got that link now. I'm going to go over to the forum, and right at the bottom, as we always do, I'll click on add a new discussion topic. Click. Okay, so I've got it, new discussion topic. I scroll down, I'm going to call it something. I'm going to call it WIOA, and I am going to now put in that link. I want to make it a live link, so at the very top you'll see all these buttons. I'm going to put this button that looks like a chain, and it says link, and I'm going to just click on that, and I'm going to right click and paste, and the link will come up. Doesn't matter that this one says edit because it's a Google Doc and there is no present mode for it. So I will click on open a new window below this, and I will click on create link, and it's turned blue, and I can see if I click off that it's a live link now, and once I post it to the forum everything will be great and people will be able to access it. So that's how the procedure would go if we chose to do the brochure. Now with the Google Docs, the procedure is similar, and you may remember back from what we did in lesson 1. But under option 2 here, if you're going to do the Google Slide presentation, I'm going to click here. That's going to open in Drive my Google Slides. I'll go through, create my presentation. But before I do, what I want to do is go to File and make a copy. File, make a copy, and I'm going to call it something, use my last name first. So I'm going to do my last name and maybe toss in some initials and put in WIOA, and it will again automatically save this in a folder with the correct sharing settings, so we'll be good. So I've done that. I want to click on OK. Google Slides will work its magic, and it's going to create this now in a new tab. So I've got this, and I'm going to go ahead and create my presentation. And now that if I'm ready to go ahead and put it in the forum, I'm going to click on the right-hand side of the address bar. I just did a left click there, everything turned blue. I want to click it one more time. Click, and what's that's done now is the cursor is flashing. And I want to change the edit and anything after it to present. So I'm going to hit my backspace, and I'm just going to get rid of everything back to the backslash, and I'm going to type in the word present, and now it'll be good. So I'm going to right click, excuse me, I'm going to left click, hold down, copy this whole link, left click, hold down, copy, and everything's turned blue. I'm now going to right click, click on copy, go back to the forum, I'm going to do the same thing I did before, add a new discussion topic, come on down, and I am going to once again click on the link, and I'm going to right click and paste, and that'll put everything in there down to the word present, which is great. I always check open in a new window and create link. And if I clicked anywhere else inside the forum, I see now I have a live link, and it should allow us to access that Google Slide presentation. So that's how it goes. Again, if you have any problems, any questions with this, don't hesitate to give us a yell and let us know. We'd be happy to walk you through this over the phone or through Zoom. So best of luck, and we're looking forward to seeing your WIOA presentations. Thanks. Have a great day.